Hi, this is Dr. Namrita. Today in this video, I will tell you about a very important topic, that is the warts. Warts are the small, benign growth on the skin. Warts appear on any parts of your body and it may be the any shape and size. Warts are the generally contagious, may spread by direct contact with infected person. Warts are the harmless and it can be disappear of its own. In this video, I will tell you about a very effective homeopathic medicine to cure your warts permanently by roots. So this video is going to be very useful for you. Watch till then, stay with me. Let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification on the coming videos. Let's talk about what is warts. Warts are the benign growth on the skin which is caused by the virus called as human papilloma virus, which causes the warts. Warts are basically the viral infection. It is a very contagious. It may spread by direct contact, by touching others' personal things like shaving blade, razor, towel, bed sheet, t-shirts, and also the contaminated surfaces, by shaking hands with other person who have the warts. Warts may appear on any part of your body. Warts may have any shape and size. It may be small, it may be large, it may be single or it may be multiple. Warts may be the flat wart, it may be the round wart. Let's talk about what are the common types of warts are found. There are the 5 types of warts are found. First is the common wart, which is appear rough and small, found on your back of hand and your back. And the second type is that the flat wart. Flat warts are the soft and the smoother one, and it can appear on your face, on your neck, and it are the flat. And the third type is filiformis wart. Filiformis or the warts are the sensitive wart which found on your sensitive areas like upper eyelid, on your upper lip, on your lips, on your beard area. And fourth one is the plantar wart, which are painful warts which found on the sole of your feet, have the small dot on the center. And the last type is that the cauliflower wart, which is called the genital warts. It forms in a bunches. It appear on the genitals. So friends, this was some types of the warts. Let's talk about what are the homeopathic medicine to cure your warts permanently. Today in this video, I will tell you the very effective homeopathic patent medicine which is from the brand Bexan. Today I will tell you about the warted homeopathic medicine. And this is the warted medicine. This is the warted from the Bexan brand, which is a very effective homeopathic medicine. This medicine is available for the price of 185 rupees for the packaging of 25 grams. Let's talk about what are the composition of this medicine. In this the causticum is added, and in this the thuja is added. Causticum is a very effective homeopathic medicine for the warts, especially if you have the warts on your face, if you have the warts on your neck. This medicine can help a lot. And the thuja is a very effective homeopathic medicine, especially indicated where the tendency of warts again and again. If you have the recurrent types of warts, if you have the any types of wart, any shape of wart, any parts of your body, thuja can act very well. This medicine has the excellent result. And let's talk about what are the indication of this homeopathic medicine. If you have the warts, like if you have the any types of wart, like if you have the round wart, or if you have the elongated wart, if you have the sensitive wart, if you have the bleeding from your wart, if you have the painful warts, in this condition you can use this homeopathic medicine. And also if you have the recurrent wart, if you have the tendency to warts reappear again and again, you can use this homeopathic medicine. And also if you have the single warts, or if you have the multiple warts, if you have the genitals warts, you can use this homeopathic medicine. If you have the warts any part of your body, like if you have the warts on your face, if you have the warts on your eyelid, if you have the warts on your upper lid, nose, or if you have the warts on your neck, on your back, on your hands, and use this homeopathic medicine. And also it is indicated for the plantar wart. If you have the painful warts on your sole, you can use this homeopathic medicine. This medicine have the excellent results, have no side effect. Let's talk about what are the doses of medicine, how to take this homeopathic medicine. You can buy this homeopathic medicine from any your nearby homeopathic store, or you can buy this medicine from online as well. As I will provide the link of the product in the description box, you can check. Let's talk about what are the doses of the medicine. You have to take 2 tablets thrice in a day for 3 to 4 months along with your internal homeopathic medicine. If you are giving to your children, you can give the 1 tablet thrice a day for 1 month. Definitely you will get very good result. So this was the discussion about the homeopathic medicine for the warts. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.